Alex, Alex,
Hi sir, there for you always. Good afternoon sir.
what time it is?
Sir, the time is 04:49 p.m.
Open YouTube.
Do you want me to open any specific video or want me to open YouTube only?
Specific video.
What is the title of the video?
Happy New Year using Python by Tathya Dikshit.
Okay sir. Playing Happy New Year using Python by Tatya Dixit on YouTube.
Open Google.
Okay. Sir.
I want to search Wikipedia.
What you want to search?
Internet.
According to Wikipedia, the Internet, or Internet, is the global system of interconnected computer networks that uses the Internet Protocol Suite, TCP/IP, to communicate between networks and devices. It is a network of networks that consists of private, public, academic, business, and government networks of local to global scope, linked by a broad array of electronic, wireless, and optical networking technologies. The Internet carries a vast range of information resources and services, such as the interlinked hypertext documents and applications of the World Wide Web, www, electronic mail, telephony, and file sharing. Do you want to search more?
Yes.
What you want to search?
Mark Zuckerberg.
According to Wikipedia, Mark Elliott Zuckerberg, born May 14, 1984, is an American media magnate, internet entrepreneur, and philanthropist. He is known for co-founding Facebook Incorporated and serves as its chairman, chief executive officer, and controlling shareholder. Do you want to search more?
No. Play me some music.
Which song do you want to be played?
Faded.
Okay sir. Here's your song, enjoy.
Open Stack Overflow.
Okay. Sir, opening Stack Overflow.
Open Sublime Text.
Opening it sir.
Tell me a joke.
Why don't jokes work in Octal? Because 7 10 11.
Open YouTube.
Do you want me to open any specific video or want me to open YouTube only?
Open YouTube only. Exit.
Okay sir. Bye bye.